See, today I'm going to take your session, and that session is about active and passive voice. We will wait for 1 minute for others to join. Let's,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
I hope you all are aware about all the tenses, 12 forms of the tenses. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Hi, Ajay.
Hey, hello, Mehta ma'am. Good
Hi,
morning.
hello.
Hello,
Good
everyone.
morning.
Hello,
Good
everyone.
morning.
Hello, Manju. Hello, Ajay. HP, who is there, and Sapna.
Hello,
Vandana.
Madam.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Very good
Vandana.
morning.
One,
Yes.
I think we all have had a good time of puja. Maybe
Hmm.
something differently.
yes.
So I'm
So,
from Maharashtra. I think so. Manju is also from Maharashtra, and all of us are from different places.
Yes.
So we had
Yes.
very good time, festival time.
Yes.
so
Okay.
one question quickly,
Yeah.
Madam ma'am. So Bhargav ma'am is not taking this class, or you are going to, you are going to take a few more classes?
No. This is only one class I'm going to take. She is
Oh, okay.
extremely busy in some other very important work. That's why she told me my batch is also going to include here. Some of my students also going to join here. So only this time only I'm going to take only one class, active and passive voice.
No, even we don't
Sometimes
have any. So we are happy to, get you. So just asking, that's
no,
good. Yeah.
she is
I
Thank you
regular
so
think
much.
I
classes.
have experience with you also, Medha. Previously, we had an experience with
Yeah.
you. You were
Hmm.
also teaching very nicely and
Very
patiently.
nicely. Yeah, no doubt.
Very patience, with so much patience and making us to understand very
Thank you,
nice.
Madhu. Thank you, Neeraj. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so we will start today's topic. Today's topic is active and passive voice. Okay, so I hope you know everyone very well know that there are 12 forms of the 12 forms, different form, like indefinite, then continue tense, then perfect continue. These forms you know very well. If I ask you to change, if I give you one sentence, you are able to change that sentence into 12 forms. That we are expecting. And some of my students, they are able to convert these sentences within 30 seconds. So
Wow.
let's take demo. I will ask Manju today. Okay, Manju, can you please are you interested? Can I give you one
Yes, yes.
sentence?
Yes,
Very
yes.
simple sentence I will give you. Okay. He writes a letter.
She
He
writes.
Writes.
writes a letter. He
Huh.
writes a letter.
She
A
writes a
letter.
letter.
A letter.
Manju is going to convert into 12 forms, 12 tenses. Okay.
Okay. She
Yeah,
writes a
Manju.
letter. She is writing a letter.
Hmm.
She has she has wrote a letter, written a letter. Sorry. मैं थोड़ा रुक जाती हूँ, थोड़ा
I know
fast
that,
करती
but
हूँ.
take it chill.
Okay.
Okay.
Present indefinite से start कर रही हूँ मैं. She
Okay.
write a letter. She writes a letter. She is writing a letter. She has written a letter. She had been writing a letter.
He has been.
She has been writing a
Sorry,
letter.
she has been
Yes.
writing a letter. Next,
Manju, this is the problem. Yes, Manju, you are very safe in your group. Yes, na? You are very confident. I know that you can convert this sentence into 2472 forms, interrogative and negative also. I know that. But when you come facing some unknown person, unknown people, you are thinking that might not judge you. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
मैं फिर से
Yes.
स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ.
I'm giving you only 1
पेशेंस
minute,
लो करके,
Manju.
क्योंकि आज सब नए लोग हैं ना, थोड़ा सा मुझे वो हो रहा है,
क्या
मतलब
आप वहां पे देखो मत ना, आपको देखना ही नहीं है लोगों को.
ओके.
हम लोग कैमरा बंद कर लेते हैं.
She writes a letter. She is writing a letter. She has written a letter. She has been writing a letter. She wrote a letter. She was writing a letter. She had written a letter. She had been writing a letter. She will write a letter. She will be writing a letter. She will have written a letter. She will have been writing a letter.
Okay, that's great. Very good. So only 12 forms she told. in front of you now. But now what we are going to do, we are going to practice every form, interrogative also, negative also, and abbreviative negative also. Everything we have to practice. Writing नहीं करना है बहुत ज्यादा, बोलना है, स्पीक करना है, बोलेंगे तो ही आएगा, तो बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करनी बहुत जरूरी है. So today our topic is active and passive voice. What is active and what is passive voice, Neeraj?
Just we can say that active is a progressive and passive by whom? By whom?
Okay. Good. Anyone interested to answer this question?
Just
Active
she
and passive
writes
voice.
a letter
maybe-
is a active voice, and she writes a letter just like active voice means writes a letter, and a letter written by she.
But I want difference. You are
Written-
telling me sentence, Manju. You are giving me answer. I don't want answer. I want difference.
Means
What is
active,
difference?
Okay,
in a
maybe-
active progress.
Yes, Ajay.
Just
Ajay.
like-
Yeah, maybe like, whatever I am saying, like, that is active. Whenever you are saying my things in your way, that is the passive.
passive.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Madhu.
Yeah, that means कि active is what Ajay said, कि active is what I am doing right now, and passive is कि about something was done by me. That is that means that.
Okay, yeah, good. Your answers are correct. See, what is active voice? Active voice giving emphasis on the person, on the subject. Subject is very important. And in the passive voice, that doer, जिसके ऊपर object is very important. I will give you one example here. Just a minute. I'm giving you, sharing my PPT here. Okay. So what is difference between active and passive voice? See, there is one slide in front of you. Okay. What is written here? Notice the shift in tone between the active and passive voices. Okay. The first sentence is Madhuri broke the glass. Madhuri broke my glass. Madhuri broke my glass. And next sentence is my glasses were broken by Madhuri. My glasses were broken by Madhuri. Observe this sentence. You can say it loudly. Feel this. What is the difference between this? Madhuri broke my glasses. My glasses were broke by Madhuri. So here, the doer is very important. Madhuri ne mere glasses tode hai. So I'm giving important to Madhuri. Usne tode. वो glass उठा है वो इतना जरूरी नहीं है. The Madhuri is very important. And the next sentence, passive, you will realize that my glasses broken by Madhuri. Madhuri ने तोड़ा, किसने तोड़ा, कोई जरूरी नहीं है. But टूट गए. वो टूटना, that process, that is very important. Now that you see, the subject is there, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. This is the structure. What we have learned till now, subject, verb and ROP. ROP1 is there, ROP2 might be there, ROP3 might be there. सबको ROP पता है ना क्या होता है? Rest of predicate. Yes, I hope.
No, I could not mean.
I don't know. ROP.
Okay. If you don't know
No.
also, it's okay. This was our lesson. But if you don't know that also, you know object. Object you know, Madhu.
Yes.
Subject you know. Verb you know, and object also you know. In the sentence, when we convert passive to active voice, object should be there. This is compulsory. Without object, you cannot convert passive to active to passive voice. So the emphasis given on the object. This is clear?
Yes.
I'm showing this slide again. Madhuri broke my glasses. Active voice is used when we want to emphasize the doer of the action. किसने action किया है वो person बहुत जरूरी है. That's why we are giving emphasis on Madhuri. The passive voice is used when we want to emphasize the action itself. क्या हुआ है इससे हमें ज्यादा important देना है. So that's why we are giving emphasis on the object. This is
Who was
very
done?
simple. Yeah, who done it? Yes.
Who has done? Yeah.
Yeah. So here, fine. I'm going to ask you one by one. It's already those who don't know ROP and all. That's why I'm repeating here again. See, the sentence, object and subjects are very important in the subject. Naman writes an essay. Ajay, can you tell me who is subject and who objects?
Naman is the subject and essay is an object.
Yeah, an essay is object and write is, what is the rights?
Verb. Verb. Writes is a
Verb.
verb.
Okay. So when the subject is there, subject, apart from that, we call that predicate. Madhu, this is for you. Those who
Yes.
don't know about the ROP and all. So subject, apart from that, whatever comes, we call that predicate. And in that predicate, object also there, verb is also there. And essay is an object, writes is a verb.
Yeah.
Next sentence, the trees shed their leaves.
Here,
Tree-
trees are the subject,
Ah,
shed is a verb, and leaves are the their leaves is
Yeah.
the object.
object, yes, correct. Now, what these are the sentences are the active voice, because importance given to the subject. When we convert this, it is like that. An essay is written by Naman. The leaves are shed by the trees. The ball was hit by the ball. So we are giving importance to the object. When the subject received the action, the verb is said to be passive voice.
Active voice.
Yes, passive voice. I'm reading passive voice. When the subject receives action,
Okay.
the verb is said to be the passive voice. So those
Madam,
who
what is there actually? Said there. There is a pronoun or what?
there
Say-
is a pronoun, yes.
Pronoun. Okay.
So only there के बाद जो tree leaves था, that would be
There
the
is
objective.
so sorry, Ajay. In this sentence, there is also ROP1, ROP1, ROP2. We can say like that.
ROP stand for? ROP stand for?
Rest of predicate.
Sorry,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Vedant
Rest
voice
of
is
predicate.
getting. What is that?
Rest of predicate.
Rest of predicate.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Have you attended Madhuri? What's your name? Madhurija? Raja.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know the difference between ROP1, object, predicate? Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this sentence is for you. Okay. Take this sentence. Last one. Okay. Please tell me subject, object, ROP, verb, everything. My best friend gave me a book on my birthday. Okay.
एक
My
मिनट,
best-
my
My best friend,
No. Please wait. Sridevi, I will give you chance. Huh? Just wait.
my best friend subject gave verb
Hmm.
and book object.
Okay. Yes, Sridevi. Yeah, Sridevi, are you there?
Yes.
Can you please tell me the this things? My best friend gave me
My
a book
breast
on
gave me a book on my
Hmm.
birthday.
Hmm.
My best friend
Hmm.
is a subject.
Okay.
Yeah. Gave is verb
Hmm.
and book is object. On my
Okay.
birthday, it's a ROP.
Yeah. Now everyone, please observe. Those don't know the ROP and all, I will clear here. Please, it's very simple. It's not something different. Kuch alag nahi bata rahi hu. Very simple. My best friend. Here, friend word is very important. Friend.
Friend.
My best is the extension. What is this?
Yes.
It's extension. Those who want to write, please write it. Otherwise, you will not understand active and passive voice. Huh?
yes.
My best friend gave me a book on my birthday. My best is an extension. इसे क्या कहते हैं हम? Extra की
Extension.
information दी है. Extension. Okay. Friend is a subject. Friend is subject.
Yes.
Gave is a verb. Gave
Verb.
is a verb. And after after gave, after verb, whatever come, we say that ROP.
P.
जब भी verb खत्म होता है, जहां पे verb रुक गया, खत्म हो गया, after that whatever comes, we call that ROP. Understood? We call that ROP. Now there is also difference. We call ROP1, ROP2, like this. Okay. Okay. So Manju, can you answer this question? Tell me ROP.
Me a book, one ROP1, and on my birthday ROP2.
Okay. Me is ROP1. A book is ROP2.
Okay.
On my birthday is ROP3.
Sorry.
ठीक है? Me. यहाँ पे me is a object. Very simple, very simple. Me क्या है यहाँ पे? Object है. So object will take, when we change the passive, for passive, me पहले आएगा. क्या होगा? यहाँ पे interchange होने वाला है.
Me
Now,
का
I have given a book on my birthday by my best friend.
मधु, बहुत टाइम है चेंज करने के लिए. डोंट कन्वर्ट इनटू पैसिव. इतना जल्दी मत खत्म करो, मेरा क्लास जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा.
Sorry, very sorry.
मुझे सिखाना भी है थोड़ा सा.
हाँ.
Okay, now Madhu will tell me all the B family members. Yes, Madhu, this is very important for passive voice. Huh? You should know B family members.
Yes. So B family के ये members को बताना है ना?
हाँ, बताइए.
Is am are यही होगा ना? मेरा correct? I'm going correct.
Yes.
हाँ. So am, is, are, and was, they, where, was, they, where, हाँ, had, नहीं had नहीं होगा.
No.
Yeah.
Was where only.
हाँ, was where.
I am was where.
Was where.
Okay.
यही होगा.
Okay. The question is for Sapna. Sapna, how many members are there in B family?
Is, am, are, and was where.
Okay, only this much 5 members are there.
नहीं, 7 और members है.
और members है.
B
श्रीदेवी को याद है, सब श्रीदेवी को याद है. श्रीदेवी.
No.
Yes, answer. Oh, वर्कशॉप में सिखाया हुआ. अरे ऐसा मत बोलिए प्लीज.
Is, was, where. I am.
9 members are there in the
Nine,
family.
yeah,
What
yes.
is this? If you don't know these 9 members, so B family.
That's a main verb plus B plus main verb. That is a no.
That is
also
I want only family members. Yes,
Yes,
Aditi, can you answer? Aditi,
Is, am, are, was, were, been.
been to be. These are the verbs.
Been.
So B family is very important. If you
9
know,
members.
if you want that, your answer should be correct now. So B families play very important role here. So what we have learned till now, we have learned that active to passive voice, the only we are going to interchange subject जगह बदलेगा, ऑब्जेक्ट के पास जाएगा, और ऑब्जेक्ट जगह बदल के सब्जेक्ट के यहाँ पे आएगा. क्रॉस. This is the first rule. Okay, so I know that B family members very well. There are 9 members. Active to passive voice. What we are going to do? Subject part, verb, and rest of predicate. We are going to change their places. He loves English. The sentence is he loves English. Which is this? Which tense? Manju, which is this tense?
Present indefinite. Present indefinite.
Present indefinite tense. This is the present indefinite
Sorry,
tense.
indefinite.
Indefinite tense. Yes. In passive voice, what we are going to do? We are going to change. Rest of predicate will come first. Verb will not change the place, and subject will go last. Subject part, not subject word. I'm telling you subject part. So what is the answer? English is loved by him.
He loved English.
हाँ, हम जाके फॉरेन में बोल सकते हैं कि इंडिया में इंग्लिश सब पसंद करते हैं, सीख रहे, क्लासेस लगा रहे इंग्लिश के लिए.
He loves English.
The English is loved by him. Your focus is on verb. वर्ब क्या है, हाउ इट विल चेंज, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू वन बाय वन. ओके, सो पैसिव में क्या चेंज हो गया? इंग्लिश इज लव्ड बाय हिम. Important given on the English subject. Okay. By him. In the passive, the second, third thing is very important. It is not necessary that you will write the subject by him. कोई जरूरत नहीं है कि किसने किया है, इसे हम इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दे रहे हैं. नीरज, आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
yes, ma'am.
इतना जरूरी नहीं है हमारे लिए कि काम किसने किया, क्या हुआ है ये जरूरी है. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट वी विल ऐड द नेम ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. ओके, कभी लिखना है, नहीं लिखा तो भी चल जाएगा. सो देर इज वन सेंटेंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. नीरज, दिस इज फॉर यू. आई लव इंग्लिश.
I love English. English
Okay.
loved by me.
Okay, yeah, very good. English is loved by me. Also you can write, नहीं लिखा है तो भी चल जाएगा. Okay, before that, no, one thing, 1 minute. I will show you. Just a minute.
But in between, madam, I mean, even the verb form is also changing, right?
That's why
Only verb is changing.
the verb form is also changing. That, see now, one by one, step by step, I will show you this. But if you want, now, I will show you this also. That your confusion should not be there. 1 minute. There is a one trick how you will remember. Okay, now you know all the tenses, 12 forms you know very well. Whenever the present indefinite is there, you have to add am, is, are to the sentence. You have to add. Sentence, you have to find out first, is it a present indefinite? Is it a past indefinite? Is it a continue tense? Past, future, present, whatever, continue. And perfect and future tense. What will change? सभी को यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है. अगर it's a present indefinite, you are going to add one verb, that is am, is, are, as per the subject. If it is a plural or a singular, उस हिसाब से आपको am, is, are लिखना है. Understood?
Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
करते वक्त आपको एक verb add करना है. Past indefinite is there, you will add was or were. Continue tense, being should be there in the sentence. Being आना ही चाहिए. If it's perfect tense, it's a present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Been will be there. You have to add been in that sentence. And future will and shall will be there. This is very important. Ajay asked this. That's why I'm showing you this PPT. Otherwise, when we solve one by one, you will come to know कि ये कैसे होता है. Okay. Now, this is the sentence. Is it visible?
Yes.
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 Now see, subject change होना है. Subject will take place of object. I love English. English is the object. So English will come front. English is. Why
Love.
is? Who will tell me मैंने यहाँ पे is क्यों use किया? कौन बताएगा?
Present indefinite.
Press.
Continuous.
This is
Present.
no. This no.
Present.
It
Present.
is a
Present
present.
indefinite.
Yeah.
Very good. This is a present indefinite. Whenever the present indefinite there, you have to add is.
Is.
And the action verb will come last. कभी भी अभी अलग अलग सेंटेंस आप करोगे, आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि एक्शन वर्ब इज द लास्ट वर्ब इन द सेंटेंस. इंग्लिश इज लव्ड. The main action verb is going to change. It is going to change. It will change in the past participle. Okay. This is the very important sentence in front of you. I am calling you. I am calling you.
Present continuous tense.
Just a minute.
Continuous tense.
I am calling you. You. You is the object.
Yes.
So you will remain you. Pronouns will be remain same pronouns here. You. What will come next? Am. You के साथ कौन आता है? Am थोड़ी ना आता है. तो क्या आएगा?
R.
are. Okay. Calling.
Being called. Being.
Calling is the present participle. Calling is a present participle.
Present participle.
So present participle is there. You have to add being. को being ने add करना पड़ेगा. You are being called. I will go very slowly. Just understand this. First, इसमें ही हमें सब कुछ अंडरस्टैंड नहीं होता है. 2-3 आवर्स सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा. You are being called. What will change? Main action verbs change into the past participle. And if this is a continue, you have to add been. आपको been ऐड करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. You are being called. I am calling you. You are being called. Okay, next.
She will be killing him.
She will be killing him.
She will be killing him.
He will kill her. He will kill her.
He will kill.
Yes,
ये
yes,
ing आएगा ना?
Sridevi, can you please answer this sentence? Only Sridevi. Sridevi, what will come?
He will killed by her.
Now see, he, your answer is right. He will be. And this is a continuous tense. That's why being also is going to come.
Yeah.
He will be being killed.
ठीक है सर being be it's दोनों
Yeah. This is the rule. This is the rule. Whenever the ing form continue tense is there, na continue, you have to put being. B family से being आना ही चाहिए यहाँ पे.
Okay. He will be being.
He will be being killed. Who done this? He or she. It is not necessary to write by her. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको by her लिखना है. She will be killing him. He will be being killed by her.
he will be being it's looking new. He will be.
Okay, very good, Sridevi. What you have to focus now, those who are facing problem, now what you will do, you are going to focus on the object. Object will come first. Here, object is him. Him, it will come, it will convert into the he. The nouns passive active में अलग होता है ना, तो he. Verb you have to take as it is. आपको as it is verb नीचे लाना है. Will be, been, and then last verb will be the action verb आने वाला है. Action, which is the action verb? Killing. पर हम killing नहीं लिखने वाले. What we will do? We will write past participle. Let's take another one. Subject part is not necessary here. Okay. Verb in the passive will have only one extra verb. One extra verb हमें डालना ही है. वो कभी आएगा? Active के पहले आने वाला. Active verb के पहले आने वाला है. Next is for Aditi. Aditi Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Read करिए जरा please.
Yes. I have celebrated Eid. Eid had been celebrated by me.
This is not a perfect tense. It's a present. See, present perfect. Aditi.
Okay.
So tense ऐसा नहीं होता है. Passive करना है तो आपने tense से change कर दिया. You are not going to change tense. हमें tense को change नहीं करना है.
Okay, ma'am. But this is perfect, na? Ma'am, this is perfect, na?
Yeah, Aditi, yes. But Aditi, you are using had. Why you are using had?
Have been.
Just a minute.
Eid has been.
Eid is a singular word. Eid is a singular.
Eid
has been celebrated by me, I think.
Just repeat, Madhu.
Eid has been celebrated by me.
Has been very good. Very good. Eid has been celebrated by me. Now you have to focus on the word कि ये singular subject है या plural subject है. Eid is a singular. तो has will come, not have will come. क्यों नहीं have लिखा मैंने? मैं have भी लिख सकती थी, लेकिन no. With Eid, I have to use has. Eid has been celebrated. Whenever the past form is there, you have to use been. Whenever present is there, you have to use being, being. यही याद रखना है. Okay, next sentence we will solve. Yes, the next sentence is for Vandana. Yes, Vandana. She will be killing him. ये हो गया क्या?
Yes, yes.
हाँ.
So,
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, this is the sentence for Vandana. Yes, Vandana. Relax,
Will
Vandana.
be cooking rice. Yes, ma'am. She will be cooking rice. Okay, ma'am.
Object को ढूंढो. कौन है object?
Rice
Correct.
will be being by, cooked by her.
Very good. Wow. Repeat it again. Repeat it. Yes.
Rice will be being cooked by her.
Wow. Correct. Rice will be being cooked by her. Not necessary to write her. Okay.
Yes.
It's that simple. श्रीदेवी जी, क्या हो रहा है?
Being the
हाँ. Being, हाँ, चलो. Being क्यों लगाया भाई? Being क्यों लगाया? क्योंकि cooking word है, cooking.
Yeah, present
participle. When present participle verb is there, you have to use being. आना ही चाहिए being.
Yeah.
And that tense will be the past participle. उसे क्या करना है? Cooked करना है. Next word is for Neeraj.
yes, yes.
Now the
Again.
fifth sentence.
Again, this is repeated.
Yes. Neeraj.
She will have completed her work. The work will have been completed. Okay.
Okay, you can take not only work, you can take her work also. ये भी आप साथ में ले सकते हैं. Okay.
The work will have completed by her.
Yeah. Her work
Will
have been completed.
Will have been completed.
Okay. Well tried, Neeraj. Well tried. Nice. Ajay, this is next sentence for you.
Okay.
Okay. So what we have learned till now, see, I am going to use this rule, going to read these rules again. Subject part is not necessary here. Verb in a passive will have one extra verb. Extra verb will be from the be family. Extra verb will be said before the action verb. Action verb will always be the last verb. Action verb will always be past participle. Auxiliary verb will sit as it is. जैसा है वैसा ही बैठेगा. Okay, this is next sentence is for you, Ajay.
Okay. So my mother cooked biryani. Okay. Biryani is cooked. Okay, biryani is cooked by my mother.
But now you are using present indefinite. You're not going to support to use present indefinite. You are going to support use past indefinite. This is a past indefinite, not present. You are using is. Why? Is नहीं use करना है. क्या करोगे? Past के लिए.
Was. Yeah.
Biryani
was
again.
cooked by my mother. Yeah.
Correct. Now correct. Biryani was cooked by my mother. Biryani was cooked. Why not word? Because biryani is a one word. Na? हम singular subject कहते हैं इसे. So biryani was cooked. You have to find out which is this tense. Is it a past indefinite, present indefinite, continue tense? And as per that, you are going to add from the be family. Next is for Sapna. Okay, Sapna?
Yes.
This is sentence.
He was singing a song. A song A song has singing by she. A
Okay.
song is singing.
Okay. Just a minute. Tell me object. Which is the object here?
Singing. Are
A song. A song. Song will come
A
front.
song.
Okay. Song. This is a past continuous tense. Is it okay, Sapna? Is it? This is a
Yes,
past continuous
past
tense.
continuous tense.
Ha. Whenever the continue is there, you are going to supposed to add been.
Acha.
Yes.
Yes.
A song was
being singing
sung
by him.
Song,
Sung by
past tense.
him.
sung.
Okay.
उसे हमें
Sung
चेंज
by
करना है.
him.
सिंगिंग को क्या करना है? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में लाना है.
Participate. Okay.
And again you try it. चलो करो.
A song has been sung by she, by him.
By
By
her.
her.
The song was being.
This is problem with the many students. Don't worry. Whenever the teacher will ask question, they will fumble. Otherwise, they know everything. This is not with Sapna. This happened with most of the student. Yes, Sapna? So don't
Yes,
worry.
yes.
ये सबके साथ होता है. हमें आंसर्स पता है, लेकिन हमें अचानक से कोई पूछे तो हम थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो जाते हैं. So you are going to concentrate here on a song. A song is there. A
A
song
song
was been
was being
sing, sang, sung, sung,
sung.
sung. Third form. A
Song
song was being sung by
sung.
her.
Okay, a song was being sung by her.
Huh.
Song.
And those who are writing, please avoid writing. When you are writing, see, this is the rule. This is related to brain that when you write, when someone is teaching you and when you are writing, it gives signal to your brain that you know everything. So don't write, listen and observe that. Observe and absorb.
Okay.
आप जब लिखते हो तो ब्रेन को ये मैसेज जाता है कि अभी भाई तुझे सब पता चला, तुझे कुछ याद रखना नहीं है.
Okay.
हाँ, तो आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या करना है? लिसन and understand and try on your own. Whenever the someone is answering, you are also practice. आपको म्यूट करना है तो करिए, आप अपना आंसर बताइए, ये करिए, सुनिए दूसरों का भी, but don't write too much. This
Okay.
PPT is going to share in the group. The recording also and PPT also we are providing. So don't worry about PPT. You will get this, all these things you will get. Next, who is ready?
Ma'am, I am not done. I am not done.
Johan, okay, Madhu, yeah.
Okay, my friend had gifted me on my birthday. This is past, I will say, this is past perfect, past perfect.
Okay, chalo.
sentence.
That is correct, huh?
Yeah. Okay, I should go slowly a little bit. Let me think
Of
also.
course, please go
My
slowly.
friend
Find
had
out
gifted-
object.
Huh. So, I had 1 minute. I was gifted. I was gifted by my friend on my birthday.
Madhu, why you are using
on my birthday? I can start from there also.
Oh, there also you can start. This is ROP2. You can start on my birthday.
Yeah,
But
on my birthday, I had been gifted by my friend. On
now
my
you are
birthday,
correct. You are correct now, because see, me is an object, so me will convert into I. I had been gifted by my friend on my birthday. You can do like this also, or you can
Okay.
take on my birthday previously. Well, first start with the on my birthday. Both are correct, Madhu, but you have to focus on this is a past participle or a continued tense or indefinite tense. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Had gifted, बीच में been डालो. Had
Okay.
been gifted.
Okay.
I
got it.
had been gifted on my birthday. Next is Neeraj again.
Yes, my father had been watering the garden. The garden had been watered by my father.
But you are not adding one extra verb here. Who will tell me that extra verb?
Being, that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
being,
Being.
being.
Had
Manju?
been watered my father.
Okay, now the answer I will. Okay, Neeraj, that's great, Neeraj.
Being.
Madhurija, Ria, please answer this.
Uh, the garden had been being watered by my father.
Watered by my father. See, when the action verb is in the present participle, watering, you have to use been. You have to use been here. The
Yes, yes, yes.
garden had been watered by my father. The garden had been. So how many verbs are there in this sentence, Aditi?
Two.
Two?
Had
No. There
been.
is one is had, and another is been.
Being.
Being.
No, I want
Being
answer.
watered.
How many verbs are there in this sentence?
Three
Two
or
Vibhuti ji,
four.
are you there, Vibhuti?
Three.
Three verb, ma'am.
Three, ma'am.
Three verb.
I go. My God. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ क्लास छोड़ के. 3 verbs are there. Oh my God.
Only
Ma'am,
two. Only two.
ma'am,
Watered.
being and
Water
being both
only
will
one.
be, ma'am, being and being both will be verb.
How
So
many
water
verbs are
भी
there
हो
in the
गया
sentence?
और had भी हो गया. That means we have four verbs here.
Had
Yeah.
been being.
Those who are
Got
saying
it.
those are there. Oh my God. The garden had been watered. 4 verbs are there
Four
in the
verbs.
sentence.
Okay, got it, ma'am. Clear now.
Okay, the garden had been watered by my father. Okay, next. Just a minute. Oh my God, this is my favorite sentence.
In Mumbai. Mumbai. In
She
Mumbai.
lives
Okay,
in Mumbai.
Yeah. Mm,
And this is
Mumbai.
very tough question.
Leave is means continuous.
Mumbai.
She is the object and she
Yeah.
is the this subject also.
Hmm.
I think.
Verb.
Can you
Yes,
please convert
Latyana.
active voice to passive? Anyone? Sridevi, do you want to try this? She lives
Ma'am,
in Mumbai.
please,
In Mumbai.
ma'am, please show the
In Mumbai.
sentence.
Just a minute.
Been.
In Mumbai, she has been
Yes,
living.
yes, has been.
Okay, listen.
Leaves a present and present perfect. Leaves.
This is a present
Oh,
indefinite,
indefinite, yeah.
that is correct. Now, this is very important.
Leaves.
Very
Living.
important.
In Mumbai. He has
Okay.
been living. She
Sridevi?
has been living.
Okay. Now listen, Sridevi. Whenever after verb, any preposition is there.
Yeah.
After verb, any preposition will come. You cannot change that into the passive tense, passive voice.
Oh, yeah.
It will not change.
Yeah.
So there is no object in this sentence. She lives in Mumbai. This is a statement.
She lives in Mumbai only.
You cannot change.
Yes, okay.
No application. Why not applicable?
Yes, yeah.
Why not applicable? Do you everyone
Present.
understand this? सबको पता चला क्यों नहीं applicable है?
मैम एक बार और
Present
repeat
tense
कर
के साथ
दीजिए ना.
in वगैरह.
Yeah. See, what happened, Madhu? Whenever the verb is there, after verb, if there is no object,
yeah,
and there is a preposition in Mumbai, so you can't convert this sentence into passive voice.
So इसमें preposition is in है क्या कि in Mumbai full है?
Preposition is in. So we cannot change this sentence into the passive. Okay, next one. Okay. Manju.
She will have married him by next year.
She will have married him by next year. Next year will have.
Tham the right minute. Or send first find out object.
Object ROP means
ROP 1. Your by here is ROP 2. ROP1, first object, I want first object. She will have married him.
There are two predicates, him and by next year.
Hmm.
So by next year, will have been married. Na?
Sapna, please tell me who is object in this sentence. Object, important object. Only Sapna will tell me answer. Na? Sapna.
Married.
Next
Married
year,
is a verb. Married is a verb.
next year.
Next year. Next year is a ROP, na?
Okay, next year is a ROP, but ROP2, the main ROP, main object, main ROP1.
Ek minute. He will have been married by next year.
Him is a object. Him is a object. She will have married him. Him is a object. Okay. You can take by next year. पहले लेना है तो पहले लीजिए, last में लेना है तो last में लीजिए, no problem. Him is the very important object here. Him will convert into he. He. Okay. So he after take verb. चलो verb लीजिए. बताइए answer मंजू.
He will have been married by next year.
Okay.
By next
Okay.
year.
Okay, very good. Now your answer is correct. He will have been married. Been. We are using been and married.
Been.
Remain married. That
Yes.
word past participle to her by next year.
Married
So
to
whenever
her.
you read the sentence, your focus should be on object, which is the first object. Him. Him is the object.
Mhm.
Second one is the ROP2, na, that by next year.
Next
So इतना
year.
important नहीं देना है.
We can say to the ma'am,
हाँ.
by the next year, he will have been married to her.
Yes. Yes, correct. Both are correct.
Both are correct. Okay.
Yeah, both are correct. But when, Neeraj, when the after sentence preposition will come, like leaves
Okay.
in, you cannot convert. See, there is a object is there, him object आ गया, उसके बाद preposition है by, so you can convert this sentence into active to passive voice. You can take first or you can take it lastly, it's okay, last, no problem. Next is,
Right.
किसी ने तो आंसर नहीं दिया था अब तक. वंदना. वंदना.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
My father had gifted a car.
A car is had been gifting.
A car has been gifted by my father.
हाँ, okay. वंदना, what you are doing? You are changing the tense. आपने पूरा change ही कर दिया tense को. Had a perfect tense. You are telling me present tense. Why you are not using had?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
It's been.
Correct करो. चलो अपने आप को correct करो. A car.
A car had been.
हाँ.
A car had been
Gifted.
gifted by my father.
हाँ, correct.
Yes.
Car had been gifted. Doer is not important here. A car had been gifted. Next, Aditi.
Yes, ma'am. He has been singing a song. A song has
Bing.
a song has been being
Sung by
sung
him.
by him.
Her.
Just a minute. Ajay, are you ready? Do you want to answer? Okay.
Yeah, I can.
Mhm.
Yeah. Songs have been singing. Yeah.
Very good. What Ajay did and what Aditi did, please understand. कोई और गलती कर देता है तो हमें सीखना है. Now see the Ajay sentence. Ajay said me songs have and Aditi said song has. Songs has कभी भी नहीं आएगा Aditi. Songs has will not come. Songs have been
Bing.
been
Bing.
sung.
Yes.
Yeah,
Is
that
that
What the
is
form?
this clear?
Ajay also did something wrong singing. He
Yeah,
told
yeah,
singing,
yeah,
and
Yeah.
I
yeah,
told
Madhu ma'am.
sung. I
Singing, yeah, I
corrected
told ma'am.
sung.
Agree,
Yeah.
agree,
चलो
ma'am. Madhu ma'am, yeah,
अजय को
thank you
इतना
for
भी नहीं
correcting me.
बोलना चाहिए ठीक है
Thank you.
Being sung. Mm.
Yes, yes. Okay, songs have been sung. Okay, this is for those who not answer. Virpal is there. iPhone, I don't know who is iPhone. Vibhuti is also here. Vibhuti, do you want to participate in this? Vibhuti, chalo one. Sridevi, Sridevi. No, mute. You are muted.
I had been invited. Had been invited from invited her
Tell
by
me
her
this sentence.
by her.
Which is this form? ये कौन सा tense है? कौन सा tense है? बताइए.
Past
हाँ,
past
past.
past
क्या?
of past in हाँ नहीं past independent
Past
हाँ,
indefinite.
past
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 indefinite.
indefinite.
indefinite. हाँ.
When past indefinite is there, you are going to
Be
use was or were.
past
You are not using.
Was.
past अच्छा I was invited by her.
Very. Now you are right. I was
अच्छा ये
invited by
क्या
her.
ये past perfect है past
No.
indefinite है
Past
तो
indefinite.
was where used to
Whenever past indefinite there, you are going to add be family member was or were.
yes.
If it's present indefinite, is, am, are.
Is okay
Okay.
yes enough. Yes.
Next is
She
for
will be
Manju.
gifted me.
I will be being gifted
Gifting
by her.
being के साथ
I
third
will
form
be being.
लगेगा ना
ING form is there. That's why be and gifted.
third form be gifted.
Okay. Now there is very important sentence. See, this is only for your information. I'm giving you. Just a minute. Vanita disliked chocolates. Shekhar drew beautifully. The postman delivers all kinds of letters. In these three sentences, only one
Not you.
sentence, second sentence, Shekhar drew beautifully. This
Beautiful.
sentence is an intransitive verb. इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट ही नहीं है श्रीदेवी.
नहीं.
ये सेकेंड सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो हम इसको पैसिव में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं.
नहीं. So like these sentences will be there. You cannot convert into the passive because there is no object. Object should be there. Object is there. Then you can convert into passive. This is the rule. This is simply written here. This is the rule that object should be there in the sentence. Okay.
First one, ma'am. First
Huh.
Vanita disliked chocolates. That's also no.
Now I'm giving you some assignment. Are you ready to do some assignment, some 4-5 sentences? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. These are some sentences. Everyone, please write down in your notebook and convert this active sentence into passive sentence. And this is the only activity today we will do. And then we will stop our class. विभूति जी तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे बिल्कुल भी. Virpal, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, Virpal, I will ask you last fourth one, na? That answer I want from you. Huh?
इसको बदलना है.
हाँ. इसको एक्टिव में पैसिव करना है, आप कर सकते हो.
ऐसा मायना.
अभी नहीं रुकिए. Everyone is writing. You are please write down. Write your answers.
Okay, ma'am, complete.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
So, okay, this is for 4 marks. Huh? You are going to give marks to yourself.
Excuse me, Maina
हाँ,
means
मैना means वो जो होती है ना
पंछी
Maina,
Maina,
bird,
पंछी
bird,
that
bird
is
मैना
Maina,
bird,
Maina.
Maina, bird.
जो बच्चों उसको देख के विश
Tota
मांगते
Maina.
हैं ना, देख नीरज जी दे
Tota Maina.
हाँ 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 वही
Ma'am,
हाँ
but थोड़ा सा confusion है like.
हाँ जब भी
Yes,
सॉल्व करोगी मधु तभी कंफ्यूजन आएगा. दैट्स ग्रेट. ओके गुड.
okay. ऐसे मेरा हो गया मैम.
Very good. And now चलो one by one we will do it. Our first sentence I will ask Ajay.
Yeah, a maina was seen by me.
That's great. A maina was seen. Saw.
Yeah, I have. No, I have seen.
Yeah,
Seen.
your answer is correct, Ajay. A maina was
Was
seen
seen.
by me. Very good. Those who return this answer, give 1 mark.
Yeah.
क्या होगा
One.
मैम? करेक्ट क्या होगा?
A maina
Maina.
was seen.
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 Seeing. देख रहे हैं. Seeing.
हाँ, seen.
Napoleon.
Seeing
Yeah,
by
seen.
me.
Amanda was seeing कि seen?
SEEN.
ma'am,
Seen.
Third form.
हाँ तो वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ. I thought
Yes,
कि
yes. And by me, not I, by me. That
By
is the
me.
answer. Okay,
Yes.
so give 1 mark. Vandana,
Yes.
next. Vandana.
Yes, ma'am. Gulab jamun was eaten by our.
Them.
Can you please repeat, please? Vandana, please repeat.
Yes, ma'am. Gulab jamun was eaten by our.
Eaten नहीं होगा. Eating.
Eaten.
Very good,
Eaten.
very good. Wow, 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 wow.
Gulab Jam was eaten by them.
Ha, 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 ha.
It's wrong,
Okay.
ma'am. Wrong,
हाँ, wrong है, wrong है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब भी किसी का wrong होता है ना. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yes. No, ma'am.
गुलाब.
मंजू.
Gulab jamun were eaten by them.
Eaten by them.
Very
गुलाब
good.
जामुन
Aditya
were
and
eaten
Manju.
by
Yes.
us.
गुलाब जामुन. एक
Jambas.
जामुन है वहां पे. बहुत सारे जामुन है. गुलाब जामुन.
Being.
गुलाब जामुन
Mon-
word.
verb.
WERE.
Verb.
Word.
Yes.
श्रीदेवी जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है ना सेम टू सेम सेकंड सेंटेंस भी वही है.
We है. हाँ, past. हाँ.
But you are not supposed to use was. You have to use were.
Use were. अच्छा. क्या ma'am?
गुलाब जामुन were eaten
Were
by
eaten
us.
by.
us.
Correct.
किसका
Ma'am,
करेक्ट
I
आया है?
again correct.
चलो
No,
दो
I
मार्क्स.
written them. अच्छा, they रहने से them होगा ना? Sorry.
हाँ.
We and us. Yes.
Okay, Aditi, next.
Ma'am, next में confusion है.
Then don't worry, Aditi. Give me answer. Don't worry. Yeah.
A
You
beautiful
sang a
song.
beautiful song. A beautiful song.
Hmm.
A beautiful
Right.
song. A beautiful song
Yes.
is.
Was.
Watch.
A beautiful song is.
Sang है तो
वो
past.
क्यों है?
Past.
Sang है ना? Okay, sang है. A beautiful song have been.
Was
कुछ
sung.
बीन नहीं
Was
आने वाला.
sung.
Aditi, listen.
Yes,
Anyone here? हाँ, Neeraj, answer.
A
Please.
beautiful.
Neeraj.
Okay.
Yes. A beautiful song was singing by him.
No.
IG.
Sung
Okay, I
by
will say a beautiful song was sung by you, by you, him.
Okay.
By
Now,
you.
okay.
By
You.
you.
You
You
only.
only.
By you
Yeah, I've
only will
written
come.
a beautiful song was sung by you.
Neeraj,
No.
this is a past indefinite sentence.
Okay. A beautiful song was singing by you.
Was
Sing,
sung.
sang, sung.
Was song.
Sing, sang, sung. Sung.
Sung, okay.
Sung.
Was sung by
Sung by you.
Song
You only, na,
was
ma'am?
sung by
Sorry.
you.
You. Yes. Correct.
Correct, ma'am.
Chalo.
I've written
Very good,
this
very
down.
good. Chalo.
Correct.
iPhone. Who is iPhone? iPhone आइए सामने प्लीज. वीरपाल आंसर प्लीज.
Yes. He opens the shop at 8 a.m. The shop is opened by him at 8 a.m.
Okay, why you use is? Virpal,
Opens.
Virpal's answer is correct or wrong? कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me Virpal is
Correct,
right or wrong?
The shop
Virpal
bar open.
said, Virpal said the shop is opened by him at 8 p.m. 8 a.m. Sorry. The shop is
Yeah.
opened by him.
सही है.
ये सेंटेंस
Pres-
करेक्ट लिखा है विरपाल ने या रॉन्ग दिया है? बताइए कौन बताएगा?
I can say it's wrong. I mean, it's right, ma'am. The shop is open by him at 8 a.m. It's absolutely correct.
Present tense. Present.
Virpal, your answer is correct. Very
Correct.
good. Because opens is a
Is
present
present
indefinite.
Indefinite. Yeah.
Opens is a present indefinite. The shop is, because it's present indefinite, we use is MR. We are going to add
Yes.
one more verb.
Yes.
So that
is
is correct.
MR.
Very good.
Very
चलो.
good.
Out of 4 किसको किसको क्या मिला है?
And last वाला open.
Last.
The
I
shop
got
is,
4.
ma'am.
Shop
The shop
is
is
open
open.
by.
Yes.
The shop is open or opened.
ED, opened.
Open by him.
हाँ.
Oh, yeah.
Whenever the action verb is there, you are going to convert into
I've
past.
written
Past tense.
ये last वाला wrong हो गया. I have written the shop is being opened by him at 8 a.m.
No.
Not necessary.
Okay, got
Present
it.
indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite. You are
One,
just
two,
going to
three.
add one more verb. Is, am, are, was, were, will, whatever. Okay. So can I give you one more, 2 more?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, please.
Yes.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
थोड़ा tough दो क्या?
Yes. Yes.
मैम मेरा 3 आया, एक wrong हो गया.
अभी तो
एक
बस
wrong हो
indefinite
गया.
Out of 5.
आपने तो present indefinite और past indefinite दिए हैं. मतलब अभी तो शुरू है
Yeah,
क्या?
yeah, yeah.
अभी तो शुरुआत है. Correct.
अभी तो पार्टी
Yes,
शुरू
अजी,
हुई
you
है.
are right. अभी तो शुरुआत है.
9-0.
गेम तो शुरू अभी होगा. हाँ.
हाँ.
9-0.
Raj has written poems.
Raj has
Raj
written.
has
Written.
written poems. As poems. Poem नहीं बोलते हैं. उसका pronunciation poem है. Poems.
Oh.
Okay.
POEMS.
हाँ, POEMS.
Poems. अच्छा. New
हाँ,
word.
जो
New word.
जो हाथ ऊपर करेगा उसे चांस मिलेगा अभी.
Has
हाँ, जो
written.
ऊपर हाथ करेगा उसको ही मिलेगा.
Please tell me who has.
हाँ,
Ma'am, I
Raj
can.
has.
मैंने हाथ उठा लिया मैम.
Maybe.
Maybe.
मधु सोच लीजिए नहीं तो फिर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा.
होने दीजिए, no problem मैम.
चलो
मैंने एक बार
मधु,
My
आई एम
Raj.
गिविंग यू फर्स्ट. मधु ने हाथ ऊपर किया तो मधु ही ओनली. मधु आंसर.
Then me. Yeah.
Poem has been.
हाँ. Poems have been written by Raj.
Absolutely correct.
Wrote होगा मैम.
Have been
Have
read.
been.
Very good. Correct. Poems.
Poems.
Poems
Have been wrote.
have been written. Only one verb you are going to add, that is been.
Written.
B-E-E-N, been. Okay.
Being.
Sopas देते. He will. No. Okay. Raj will check the pipes. Raj will check the pipes. Raj will check the pipes.
Check the pipe.
Will
Will be.
take the
Check.
flight.
No, ma'am. Present.
Yes, C-H-E-C-K. Check the pipes.
मैम मैंने हाथ ऊपर कर लिया.
मधु रुकिए अभी. वंदना को चांस देती है. वंदना.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Future. The pipe will be checked by Raj.
Will be.
The pipe will be checked by Raj.
Checked by us.
Will.
Only one verb add, that is be, been, add करना है. She added be.
Will be.
B-E-B. Raj will
Will be.
be checked,
will be
checked by. Sorry,
by
by का पहले.
him.
Vandana,
Raj.
repeat your sentence. You are right. Correct.
The pipes will be checked.
The pipe will be checked by Raj.
Hmm.
Ma'am, you have written, she has written the pipes. So the pipes होगा ना ma'am?
Pipes. The pipes. और the नहीं use किया. That is also okay. This is the last sentence. And now this is the last sentence. This sentence is for
It's
Aditi.
by him.
Aditi.
Yes,
Kiran
ma'am.
is writing letters. Letters. Kiran is writing letters.
Letters are being wrote by Kiran.
Written
Instead
by
of
him.
Only
wrote,
one
use
mistake.
written.
Written, yeah.
Written by.
Okay, written.
Written
Yes,
by.
right. Wrote written.
That's yeah, very good. It needs some. It need practice. Today I will share some sentences with you. I hope you will write it and please share into the group. Anyone has any problem, please ask. कुछ को पूछना है तो पूछिए या फिर we will call it a day. We will stop here. Yes, Neeraj. I hope you are.
Fine.
आपको समझ में आया नीरज? Yes.
Yes.
Thanks. Okay. So Manju, Sridevi, Aditi, Vandana, Veerpal, Ajay, Madhu, and Madhur Jaya. Madhurja. Yeah. Thanks
Yes,
to
sir.
all of you for attending my class. Thanks.
Thank you.
Let's
Nice
call it
of
a
you,
day.
ma'am. Nice of
Thank
you.
you.
Very
Thank you,
nice.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
for your
Thank you,
hard
ma'am.
work.
We loved
Thank
your
you.
advice.
क्वेश्चन है मेरा.
Appreciate your effort.
मुझे कुछ
हाँ.
का जो दिया है तो राज विल चेक द पाइप. ये फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में है ना?
No, it's not perfect.
Future
That sentence is
indefinite.
Tense, past में.
We'll check the
Raj,
pipes.
Future indefinite.
Check present
Future
tense.
indefinite.
Present.
Future indefinite.
Future
Yes.
indefinite.
Indefinite. First
It's
form.
future indefinite.
First.
बट फ्यूचर
Future
इंडेफिनिट
form.
में अच्छा इसमें चेक नहीं लिया है, चेक किया है मतलब
Check.
लिखा है.
हाँ. हाँ.
Okay.
तो
Check.
past में
मैंने
बदले.
पहले ही चेक कर दिया था
हाँ.
उसको.
आपने लिख लिया पहले से.
Okay.
Okay. Today, please do assignments. If you do regularly, then only it will fix in your mind. भूल नहीं
Yes.
जाओगे फिर. Okay. I will share recording. I will share this PPT also, and then assignment also. Okay.
Okay.
Let's meet again. I hope. Thanks to everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You were so lively.
Okay.